Hello and welcome to today's video. Now today is one of my favourite videos because I'm checking out another speaker. There's been quite a few speakers on this channel because I love music. Who doesn't love music? You know, we've all got a different style of music that we like. I like a bit of bass. So when I saw this, I thought, you know what, I've liked Zealot speakers in the past. And as you can see, I have not actually opened this. I've not tested it. Normally I do. Normally I can't wait. So, let's get it. I still haven't found my bloody good knife, and it's really bugged me. I think someone's thrown it away using a kitchen knife when I've got my cool knife. Anyway, let's get into this. Bin's over there. So this is the Zealot S76 bass speaker with RGB. Frequency range 20 Hz to 20 kHz. Transmission distance 10 meters. Working voltage 7.4 volts. 1.2 kilos. But what it doesn't say is the power output. Now I've got a feeling this was 50 watts. But I'll double check that. And obviously I will display it in the video. But yeah, this is considerably smaller than some of the speakers I've had on this channel. Okay, so we get a little bag. Pop that on one side. We get a little bag with the Zealot branding on. Instructions. An audio jack to audio jack cable, which is nice to have. USB-C charging cable. And then we get the speaker itself, which is, oh, we're something else. Strap. You always get a strap with these sort of speakers, yeah. Pop that over there a minute. So it's relatively well packaged. That's the one thing I will say about Zealot speakers. I've not had any come damaged because the packaging is pretty good. You've got this foam all the way around. You've got a gap. So if anything hits the box, it shouldn't hit the actual speaker itself. Okay, so let's put it around that way so you get this full effect of seeing the name Zealot. 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 Oh no. I forgot what I was calling it. Zealot? I'm sorry, people, but I haven't. What I'm working with, it's not a lot. It really isn't. Right. So you got obviously for the straps, you've got power, you've got link. So you can, for genuine stereo sound, you can link two of these speakers. M modes maybe. That's going to be a light. That one there is going to be a light because it doesn't press. Then you got plus, minus, and you got play. So what have we got under here? This will be your connections. Now, I'm not sure if this one's waterproof, it doesn't say. But the fact that they put this really chunky, rubber sealed, I would guess that this is probably shower-proof. But again, I'll find out and I'll include it in the video. Micro SD card slot, USB-A, USB-C, and an aux jack. Again, like every speaker I've had from this company, I have been impressed with the look of it, the build quality of it, the feel of it. It looks good. It doesn't look like a cheap budget speaker, in my opinion. In fact, that's not. I thought that was written on. It's not. It's like kind of rubberized, textured letters that have been stuck on there. That's kind of cool. But what is it like? Powered on. Let's see if it's got any power. And there you go. Yeah, you can have it on a desk, although the Zealot name is up in the air. I would have preferred it kind of like there than there. But that's where you've got the rubber. Although, would it be there? I'm an idiot. It'd be there, wouldn't it? So then you can get to, yeah, don't worry. As I said, not a lot going on up here. Yeah, that's where it would be. You've got your rubber strip or your rubber foot. So I thought it went like that. Then you can't get to the controls, but it actually goes there. That's how it goes. Anyway, that is the cable you get. The carry handle you get. Pretty standard affair. Does it say Zealot on it? No, it doesn't. It says it on the little bag, but it doesn't say it on the carry handle. Right, let's go into Bluetooth. So we want to go into YouTube Studio. I've gone through and I found a few that I like. That's 50% volume. Okay, so light on, light off. So that turns, if you press the kind of the pairing button twice, it turns the light on. Right, so it doesn't have a bass boost button like I thought. It's just a bass speaker. Let's go back up to about 80. Vocals. Let's see if I've got anything with vocals.
You say slow down. I don't like to move too fast and drowns the truth with things that are not real, and I really want us to be real with love that lasts. In the past I messed up, gave too much. Past, I see why we are lonely. Ooh, should've let me speed it up. And now that time has passed, I see why we were lonely.
But yeah, I actually like this quite a bit. You can obviously stand it up as well if you wanted to. You can stand it up like that if you wanted to. Both ends are rubberized, so it's not going to go anywhere. So I've been using the little Zealot S76 speaker for the last couple of days. Just listening to a bit of music. I had football on yesterday. I had it on, listening to football. And I've got to say, yeah, it's pretty good. Overall, it's pretty good. The bass isn't as deep as the bigger speakers, but that's kind of common sense will tell you that. Usually a bigger speaker with more power will produce a deeper bass. Not always, but usually. And in this case, the bass is there. There is plenty of bass there, but it's just not as deep. It's a good overall sound though. Music is quite lively. Yeah, it's probably a good garden party speaker. It's not hi-fi quality sound, but for an all-in-one speaker that is supposed to be waterproof, dustproof, with an 8,000 milliamp hour battery, which should last quite a few hours. Overall good sound quality for around about £55-60. I still think it's a good deal. I genuinely do think the speaker is worth it. Prices have gone up, so everything is going up. That speaker, when I bought it a couple of months ago, cost me £45. And now you can't get it on Amazon, AliExpress for less than £55. But that's just the world we live in at the moment. Everything is going up. It is a shame, but yeah. So I've got to kind of rate it on its current price, and I still think it's a good speaker. I still think it's worth it. If you can get it for around about £50, even better. So yeah. But I actually think, like all the Zealot speakers, apart from that phone speaker that I had, the phone stand with the built-in speaker, that was crap. Every other Zealot speaker I've had, I've been impressed with. The build quality is good. They look good. They come with, decent features like being waterproof, dustproof. This one with the RGB, the bass radiators at the end. I genuinely like Zealot speakers overall, and this one's no different. I like it. I recommend it. I will be having more speakers on this channel because I like music. I like speakers. I like messing with them. I want to actually get a pair of bookshelf speakers. to possibly go on my desk. Possibly. Anyone watching this video want to send me some bookshelf speakers? It's like some studio monitor speakers. If you don't ask, you don't get, you know. So I've got to ask. But yeah, that does it for this video. If you got any questions about the Zealot or any of the other Zealot speakers I've had on the channel, if you are looking for a Bluetooth speaker with decent sound quality, then check out some of my other videos, because I have done a couple of Zealot speakers. I've done a DOS speaker that was very good. The DOS speaker is currently my favourite. It's the only one I've kept since doing this channel, because I can't keep everything. Will I keep this speaker? I don't know. I might actually use it. We're going away for the weekend in a couple of weeks. I might use it then. I might take it with us. But after that, probably sell it at a booster. But yeah, any questions about that or any other speaker that's been on the channel? Any suggestions for other speakers that I might enjoy? Budget speakers. Yeah, budget only. So really up to probably £60, £60, £70 or less. That's my budget at the moment. But yeah, if you like the video, please give it a like. It really does help. I don't know where I went rather high then, but anyway, I'm not high. I don't mean high as in, wee. I mean, my voice went a little bit high. Yeah, and if you haven't subscribed, but you would like to see more content like this, then please hit that subscribe button. I haven't got my light quite set up right. It's a bit, my face looks a bit like I'm glowing. We'll fix it. I'm hoping to get another webcam anyway, because this webcam's not great. But yeah, that does it for this video. I'm going to get out of here, finish the editing, get it out tomorrow. Didn't release anything last week. I just decided to have a week off. And then suddenly quite a few things have turned up at once. So I'm now going to have a busy couple of weeks. More videos coming out soon. But I hope to see you in those next videos. But for now, I will say, bye guys.